If you're looking for a small bag which you can carry your Osmo Pocket 3 around in and some of the necessary kit that you need to take with it, then stick around. I'm going to show you exactly what I carry in this little bag and how it's more than big enough for everything that I want to carry in my minimal setup. Recently, I purchased the Osmo Pocket 3. I know I was a little bit late, but some people are always late to the party. And I bought myself a little bag to be able to carry around my Osmo Pocket 3, as well as some of the necessary accessories which are part of my minimal setup. And a couple of weeks ago, I was on a trip to the USA and I walked into a diner to get myself a cup of coffee. I was carrying my little black bag with my DJI minimal setup and I put it on the counter next to me, and there was a gentleman sitting next to me who looked at me, looked at the bag and said, "What you got in that pretty little black shiny bag, boy?" Sorry for the bad accent. And it made me think that maybe this would be a good topic for a short video. I've looked around myself for a number of different bags which are suitable for the Osmo Pocket 3 and some of its accessories. The prices are pretty high and most of them are quite a bit bigger than this. I wanted something very small that I could carry around easily, unobtrusively, and still have all the necessary kit that I needed to carry with me. Now, I've actually got 5 of these little bags, all exactly the same, and I do confuse them sometimes, but the reason I've got 5 is because, number one, they are the perfect size for carrying around accessories, and number 2, because they are a pretty good price as well. I'll leave an affiliate link in the description section down below so that if you are interested, you can pick one up for yourself. The bag itself is made of a nylon material, which is washable. I can vouch for that. And it has a zip, which has 2 openers, one for each side. Inside, the bag has several pockets and it has a red nylon lining. It's only about 5.5, maybe almost 6 inches in length, and it's about 3 or 4 inches in height. The width is wider at the bottom than at the top, which makes it quite simple to carry around as well, like that. And my Osmo Pocket 3 and a number of other accessories fit into this little bag absolutely perfectly. So without wasting any more time, let's take a look at what I carry around in this pretty little black shiny bag. So as you can see, the bag is about the same length as my external battery bank. It's small and compact, very soft, very lightweight. So let's unzip it and see what's inside. And the first thing that we come to is my mini tripod. I have 3 or 4 of these. I never travel without them, and it fits perfectly onto the Osmo Pocket 3. After that, of course, a cleaning cloth. You need to always carry a cleaning cloth just in case. In one of these little pockets, I have the DJI Mic Mini attached to the charging dock. In this pocket I have the connector which goes to the bottom of the Pocket 3 and gives us our USB connection and also our tripod 1/4 inch thread. In this side pocket I have the USB-C to USB-C cable and a lanyard wrist strap. And finally, of course, the Osmo Pocket 3 itself. I prefer not to use the case which came with the Osmo Pocket 3. I use this smaller one because I find it takes up less space and it's lighter. And also attached I have a magnetic mount. So as you can see, this magnetic mount hinges out, and let's just connect the microphone so you can see that it is actually magnetic. There you go. Which is absolutely perfect for attaching to any metal surface. So not bad at all for a tiny little bag like this, being able to fit the Osmo Pocket 3 and all of these accessories into one tiny little bag. And as you can see, inside it has this beautiful red nylon lining. It has an elasticated pocket on one side and another 2 pockets on the other side. So in all, with the double zip fastener and the size of the bag and how lightweight it really is, absolutely perfect. Well, there you go. As you could see, you can get a lot into a tiny little bag like this. And I forgot to mention as well that it has got some padding to it. It's not the thickest padding in the world, but it does have some padding inside as well. This bag is actually sold as a cosmetics pouch or purse. But as you can see, I've repurposed it for my Osmo Pocket 3 in this case, and for a number of other accessory kits which I carry around with me in different situations. If you like this video, if you found it interesting, or if you know somebody that's on the lookout for a bag for their Osmo Pocket 3, then like and share this video with them. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe for more photography related content. You'll find affiliate links to gear used in the making of this video in the description section down below, as well as a link to this tiny little bag. If you do purchase something through one of my affiliate links as an Amazon associate, I may receive a small commission, which will help me to continue creating content for you here on my channel. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I always answer your comments and I always answer your questions, and interacting with my channel is a great way for me to know the kind of content that you'd like me to create in future videos. So until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe, and see you in these next videos.